excess of 6 inches, and that's somewhere that may very well be right in central parts of our state. Gorgeous sunset here, last little bits of light before our snowstorm comes in. You can see those the sunlight coming right up under the clouds. Nice orange colors. Got a ton of viewer photos from you guys. Really appreciate that. 35 degrees of cloudy skies, cloudy conditions. A dew point of 29, which is interesting. That's going to come up throughout the night. We're getting more moisture in here, but of course it's going to help the temperature to fall just a little bit more. We had the cloud cover today that held our highs down. We were only 44 in Oklahoma City, the 30s off to the north for highs, so we're already cooling things down in advance of our incoming snow. We're just 3 away from the freezing point in much of central and western Oklahoma, even cooler in northwestern parts of the state. And right now, watching from satellite and radar, that snow is beginning to move in already. So parts of northwestern Oklahoma, snow falling. It's light snow right now, not really accumulating just yet, but it is making it to the ground. Nothing yet in central Oklahoma, just some moisture. But right now in Woodward, reports of snow also in Shattuck and Buffalo, Harper County, where we recently had that big snow event of 15 inches. A lot of that is melted, but we're bringing more snow in. And that's system number 1. That's here for tomorrow. System number 2, already cranking up right now south of the Aleutian Islands. This storm system on Tuesday, it will likely bring, again, more snow, more wintry weather right here to Oklahoma. So we're going to watch both of these. Now, here we go. As we go into the overnight hours, watch as the radar screen really fills in quickly. We're talking about light snow in the west metro by about 4 or 5 o'clock, light to moderate snow in northwestern parts of the state, and this will keep strengthening throughout the morning. This is 9 o'clock tomorrow. Now, something interesting right here. It's an area of low pressure, and you get what's called a pivotal point. It kind of pivots back on itself, and where that happens, there's not a lot of movement of the heaviest bands of snow. These heaviest bands have been trending a little bit farther south and southeast, closer to parts of Oklahoma City. So we're talking Kingfisher, El Reno, Guthrie, Edmond, Oklahoma City, seeing higher snowfall totals during the morning, during the early afternoon hours of your Sunday, and then it starts to move out here late in the afternoon. So there's going to be a corridor, a pretty narrow corridor of a couple counties that sees possibly 5, 6, even 7 inches of snow. All the while, our temperatures, our wind chills, they're going to be cold. This is how it's going to feel during the snow event. The teens and single digits overnight into early parts of our Monday with snow on the ground with roads that will be treacherous. Okay, so future track now. Here it comes as we go forward. This is Tuesday. The second storm system adding more snow to what will already be there from tomorrow's storm system. Again, a couple more inches on Tuesday. That will be out of here on Wednesday. So a lot to put together. Snowfall totals, we'll have that in just a second. About 32 degrees tonight, cloudy, cool, damp. And that snow, that'll begin just before dawn in central Oklahoma. Could be a little bit of rain mixing in for a time. So that's the orange color right here. And you know what? There's enough energy out there. We might even hear some thunder. Thunder snow is possible early tomorrow morning through the mid-morning hours before we transition just to pure snow. Here's your Sunday morning. Temperatures pretty steady, right around the freezing point or just above. They fall throughout the afternoon. That freezing line gets pushed farther off to the south. Still snowing. It'll be done in central Oklahoma by about 3 to 5 o'clock in the evening. And we talked about that pivot point, that point where there's going to be a little bit higher snowfall total. It's going to happen somewhere within this pink right here. 4 to 7 inches right here. That does include the possibility Enid, Oklahoma City, Kingfisher, Stillwater, and then out along and just north of I-40, 2 to 5 inches. Still very impressive. Anywhere else here in west central and northern Oklahoma. Monday it's out of here, still cold. We take a break, we try to dig out. 37, a little melting happens, and then that other system comes on Tuesday. This is additional snowfall, not Sunday, additional snowfall on Tuesday, anywhere between 1 and 3 inches, widespread central, western, and northwestern Oklahoma. We'll certainly watch that after we get through this first system, starting right now, lasting throughout our Sunday. So 2 to 5 inches in central, some heavier totals northwest, up to 7 inches in some areas. Storm number 2 on Tuesday. Look at the cold weather behind us. The snow not immediately melting off. We try to hit 50 on Friday. The temperatures finally firmly into the 50s about 8 to 10 days down the road. News 4 will be right back.
I have some